Good morning. Welcome to the day after the dissertation hand-in. Went out last night, bit of a wreck, but it was a great time. Some people in my course did suggest that I should do the conclusion after I got in last night, but I was in no state to do that. And I'm in really no state to do it now, but here it goes. Here is the conclusion to the project. Warning, the following is extremely geeky, dull and boring. Viewers are advised not to use heavy machinery, as you may fall asleep.
Okay, so my dissertation was handed in at 11 o'clock of the hand-in day. It was tipping down with rain. I was really concerned of getting it wet. I had to run through the car park, but luckily I got to the hand-in on time, before 12. I was pleased with it. My supervisor did say some sections were
very well done.
So that was pretty good. I have developed a little small fan base for some reason. So hi to you all. I don't know why the most dullest video of them all attracted over 6,000 hits. That must have been a random link somewhere. I have no idea. It was really dull. Okay, so you're here for some sort of conclusion. First of all, I have to introduce the concept of abstraction. In any forms of engineering, we try and take a big problem and divide it down into many smaller problems. For example, when we design and build a car, we take the individual parts of a car and design them at different stages. So we may go off and design the tyre, we may go off and design the engine. We don't have to do it all at the same time. We just got to make sure it all fits together. We can then build that at different times. So we can construct the engine without worrying the colour of the dashboard, for example. The major benefit of this is we can as humans problem solve smaller things rather than larger things. We use the same principle in software engineering. For example, if I wanted to create some software to shut a door, there would be two units. Maybe the main unit would be me, and there'll be another unit that will be actually closing the door. I would simply issue the request to close the door. I do not actually need to know whether the door has been completely closed successfully, whether the door was closed in the first place. I just need to know a simple request, which is please shut the door. Now the beauty of this is that my side of the software can be created, designed, tested independently of the other part, the actual closing of the door. My part can be completed within a couple hours and tested. The other part can be designed, built, tested at another stage, which means that my part won't be slowed down in the production life cycle, which is great when lots of people need to work on different parts of the software. So let's do a bit of role play. Alex, can you close the door please? Wonderful. So that's a quick overview of abstraction. So this project tried to find out the benefits of abstraction within control, and it's always going to be the same, whether it's software, control, making a car, closing a door, all the same. So I knew the outcome before I started the project, which was great. So here are the benefits. Don't worry, nearly finished now. Benefits number 1. The principle is very scalable, meaning I can remove and add block controllers as I wish. I just have to assign a new address to them and update the routing tables of all the block controllers. Benefit number 2. Parallel development. Lots of people can work on different parts of the system at one time. I actually only created one block controller at one time and tested it with a hyperterminal. I didn't have to create the whole layout to see if the system worked. Benefits number 3. Clarity of roles. Ham roles. Meaning that each unit of the system has its own role. It does not go out of the role of that unit. The block controller has the role of moving the trains, controlling the points, operating the signals, The software on the PC had a role of sending requests only. Benefit number 4, maintainability. Because of the clarity of roles, a unit can be taken offline, worked on, repaired and put back online without affecting the system as a whole, which is great. Just what you need. So that's all the benefits. I have nothing else to say other than, why are you watching this?